These are the 5 money pillars for wealth creation. Follow them and you will be able to achieve wealth. 1, know your money. If you don't know your money, you cannot grow your money. Plain and simple. Number 2, budget with ease and abundance. I believe that when you track your spending plan and you know the money coming in and out, this is how you're able to extract extra money so you can invest. Number 3 is make sure you have an emergency fund stashed away. This is where you put your savings towards the short-term emergency fund. Number 4, get rid of the bad debt. Interest rates going up, be careful because the costs of your bad debt are going up as well. That credit card, payday loan, high interest loan, that's the goal. And number 5, invest like a boss. Hit me up for more ways that you can work with me so I can teach you how to invest.